How are turbidity and suspended solids related in water? Have you ever wondered why some water looks clear while other water appears cloudy? This difference often comes down to turbidity and suspended solids. So, how are these two concepts connected? Let's break it down. Turbidity refers to how cloudy or hazy water looks, and it is a direct result of suspended particles floating in the water. These particles can include soil, organic matter, algae, and tiny organisms. When these solids are present, they scatter and absorb light, making the water appear less clear. Now, what about suspended solids? These are the tiny particles that remain just floating in the water instead of settling to the bottom. The concentration of these solids is what we measure when we talk about total suspended solids. While turbidity gives us an optical measurement of clarity, total suspended solids provide a weight-based measurement of how much material is in the water. Although turbidity and total suspended solids are different measurements, they are closely related. Generally, higher levels of suspended solids lead to higher turbidity. This means that if you measure turbidity and find it is high, you can reasonably assume that there are also high levels of suspended solids present. Water quality professionals often use this relationship to estimate the concentration of suspended solids based on turbidity readings. The presence of suspended solids and the resulting turbidity can have several effects on water quality. For instance, increased turbidity limits the amount of light that penetrates the water. This can hinder photosynthesis in aquatic plants, which is essential for the food chain. Additionally, suspended solids can clog the gills of fish and other aquatic organisms. This can harm their health and disrupt the ecosystem. Turbidity can also raise water temperatures by absorbing more sunlight, which can lower the levels of dissolved oxygen that aquatic life needs to survive. Moreover, these particles can carry pollutants on their surfaces, affecting the water chemistry and overall health of the ecosystem. Excessive turbidity and suspended solids can lead to sedimentation, where particles settle on the bottom and disrupt habitats. Monitoring both turbidity and suspended solids is vital for assessing water quality. Turbidity measurements are quick and cost-effective, while total suspended solids measurements provide precise data needed for regulatory compliance. Together, they help detect pollution events like erosion, runoff, and algal blooms that can harm aquatic ecosystems and drinking water supplies. In essence, turbidity is a visual representation of the suspended solids in water. Understanding both parameters is key to managing water quality, protecting aquatic life, and ensuring safe water for human use.